Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to open a Revolut account. Alright, let's begin. First, head over to your App Store or Google Play Store and search for Revolut. It should appear near the top of the results. Tap Install and wait for the app to download. Once the app is installed, open it and you'll be greeted with the welcome screen. Tap on Sign Up to begin the registration process. Next, Revolut will ask for your phone number. Simply type in your active phone number and double check to make sure it's correct. Tap to proceed. You'll then receive a 6-digit verification code via SMS. It usually arrives within a few seconds, but if not, wait a minute or two. Once you receive the code, enter it into the app to verify your phone number. After verification, you'll be prompted to choose your country of residence. Scroll through the list and select your country. Then, enter your email address when prompted. Revolut might also ask if you want to invite friends. You can skip this step if you'd prefer. Finally, depending on your region, you might be placed on a wait list. Don't worry, once Revolut is ready for you, you'll receive an invitation via email or SMS with further instructions. Just follow those steps and you'll be all set to start using your Revolut account. And that's it. You've now taken the first steps to using Revolut. So that's basically how you can open a Revolut account. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.